What's the difference between a will and a trust? And do you actually need one or both? Most people don't realize that choosing the wrong one could cost their family thousands of dollars and drag them through years of court battles. In this video, I'm going to break it all down. We'll look at what wills do, what trusts do, who needs them, common misconceptions, and real examples from real families I've helped. By the end, you'll know exactly which one makes sense for you. A will is the simplest estate planning tool. It says who gets what when you pass away, and it can name guardians for your kids. And here's the catch. A will always goes through probate. Probate is the legal process of validating your will in court. It's slow, it's public, it costs money. One of my clients thought their mom's will would make things simple. But when she passed away, the estate sat in probate for almost a year. Filing fees, attorney fees, delays. The family was stuck waiting while bills piled up. That's the hidden cost of relying on a will alone. A trust, on the other hand, is like a will plus a control panel. It manages and transfers your assets privately. With a trust, your family skips probate. That means no court delays, no public filings, no unnecessary fees, and you have more control. You can say, my kids get money for college at 18 and not the rest until 30. You can protect assets from lawsuits or divorce. And no, trusts aren't just for the ultra rich. If you own a home, you have kids, or you have assets you want to protect, a trust can save your family huge headaches. I worked with a family who had just a will. They owned 2 properties in 2 states. That meant not one probate, but 2. 2 courts, 2 set of fees, 2 timelines. It dragged on for 18 months. Their kids were in limbo waiting for inheritance they couldn't touch. Let's compare that to another family. They have a home in Virginia and a rental property in Maryland. Instead of just a will, we set up a living trust for them. So when they pass, everything transfers smoothly to their kids. No probate, no delays, private and efficient. Their heirs will be able to access the funds immediately. Let's talk about some myth. Myth number 1. Trusts are only for millionaires. False. Anyone who owns property can benefit. Myth number 2. A will is enough. Not if you want to avoid probate. Myth number 3. Trusts lock everything up. Completely wrong. Revocable trusts can be changed anytime. Myth number 4. Trusts are complicated and expensive. They take planning, yes, but they save far more than they cost. Think of a will like a basic lock on your front door. It works, but anyone can see what's inside through the window. But a trust, that's like a security system. It's private, controlled, and flexible. One client left money directly to their 19-year-old son through a will. Within months, he blew through most of it on cars and trips. Another client used a trust to stagger distributions. We're talking college tuition at 18, housing help at 25, the rest at 30. And the difference? One kid had to rebuild after mistakes. The other had guidance and structure. Let's recap. Wills direct assets, but always go through probate. Trusts transfer assets privately, skip probate, and give you control. So here are some answers to some common questions. Do you still need a will if you have a trust? Yes. A pour-over will catches everything not in the trust. Can trusts be changed? Yes. Revocable trusts are flexible. Do I need a lawyer? It's highly, highly recommended. A DIY trust can create more problems than it solves. So the bottom line, if you own a property or have kids, you should strongly consider a trust. So here's the bottom line. Wills are essential, but trusts give you control, privacy, and a peace of mind. If you're not sure which one is right for you, do not leave it up to chance. Use the link in the description to book a consultation, and let's make sure your family is protected the right way.